I dey check if the Infinix Note 11i get voice assistant like the Note 11, but e no get. The surprising thing about this phone be say with 92,000 naira, you go get this wide almost 7-inch HD plus display phone plus 46 megapixel back camera and 64 megapixel storage space. Welcome to Megalight YouTube channel, and for today's video, I go unbox and review the Infinix Note 11i. If you never subscribed to this channel already, hit the subscribe button now. Like this video and tell me what you think for the comment section. Note 11i dey inside this nice looking packaging box, and it is similar to the Note 11 packaging box too. Inside the box na the phone with im quick specification. The phone dey run on the previous Mediatek Helio G85 chipset and e feature 6.95-inch Full HD Plus super smooth display. Next inside the box na the transparent flexible plastic pouch wey fit the phone well. Next na the SIM injector, the USB-C cable, earpiece, and finally the charger. The front of the phone features 16 megapixel camera. Hold on, I go soon test this camera and see how it dey perform. The phone get the volume and power buttons for the right corner of the phone. Na the power button still the fingerprint sensor. Top of the phone dey empty, while the left corner of the phone carry the SIM house. The bottom carry the head jack, microphone, charging port, and speaker. The speaker test of this phone show how clear and loud the speaker dey. Again, just hold on, I go soon run the audio test. Back of the phone carry 48 megapixel camera plus flashlight. The phone get fine display, e good to use watch movies and browse. But for person wey get small hand, this phone go too big for am. The thing be say the display try, but if you compare am with Note 11, this display dey slow small. Note 11 display dey flow well, unlike this one when kind of dey static. The storage capacity of the phone na 4GB RAM plus 64GB ROM, and e dey run on Android 11. One thing I no understand about this phone na why the notification and quick settings not get the latest upgrade. Note 11 gets that upgrade, and if you dey buy this phone, know say you go access your notification and quick setting with the normal old way. The phone dey run on Mediatek Helio G85 processor. The processor na one of the latest ones when they are available. Other higher processors like G88 and G96 dey, but at least G85 for this phone no bad. If you dey worry whether this phone go freeze, hang or hot as you dey use am, then you no get fear. I use this phone for some time and I no experience this problem. I no use the phone play games, but I dey sure say e fit handle several high-end games. I try the speaker test, and wetin I do na to record myself and play the record. See wetin I hear. Hello, testing the microphone. This is Infinix Note 11i and Infinix Note 11 audio test. So I am recording the same time and time for testing. Okay, so which goes first? Infinix Note 11. Hello, testing the microphone. This is Infinix Note 11i and Infinix Note 11 audio test. So I am recording the same time and time for testing. The sound loud and clear. To use and watch film or play music go make sense, and within 5000 mAh battery capacity, the phone go save for long time even if you hide the volume finish. The phone come with FM, but you go need to plug earpiece before e go work. The security system of the phone na the same with under Android 11 own, and this phone no feature anything new for the security side. Although Note 11 cost pass this phone, the two phones camera dey compete. All the camera mode wey Note 11 get, Note 11i get them. The two cameras no dey as I expect am, and if you zoom, e no dey go too far. Infinix phones dey get good camera, but no be for this Note 11i. I expect more from them. The average user fit conclude say the camera dey good, but person wey need camera for regular activity know say this camera no work. The front camera still get small complaint. E no still too clear like 16 megapixel camera. I no sure say na because of the low light. I think say na so the camera just be. I don see cameras wey get 8 megapixel, yet dem clear pass this one.
Okay, so this guy. Yeah.
The price of the phone na 92,000 naira, and for me, na overpriced be that. Maybe for there around 72,000 naira or even less. For this price, Infinix for fit make the RAM 6GB, improve on the camera and change the overall design of the phone. Or wetin you think? You think say the phone good for the price, or the price suppose reduce? Tell me wetin you think for bottom. Remember to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and tell me wetin you think for the comment section. See you for my next video.